In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your Microsoft Teams window on top, so you can keep Teams always visible while you work. If you've ever been in a meeting or a call and needed to switch between different apps, you know how easy it is for the Teams window to get buried behind everything else. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to keep your Teams window on top of other windows, so you can follow the conversation, see shared content, or monitor chat without constantly juggling your screen. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in and ready to go. This works best with the desktop version of Teams, not the browser version. So double-check that you're using the installed app rather than a tab in your browser. Once Teams is open, join a meeting or start a call. The Always on Top option is usually most useful during meetings, when you want to see video feeds, shared screens, or the call controls at all times. When you're in the call window, look carefully along the top or the main toolbar for the Settings or More Options button. This is often represented by 3 dots. Click that Options button to open the menu. In this menu, look for an item that refers to keeping the window on top, such as Always on Top or Pin Window. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Teams, but it will clearly suggest that the window will stay visible above others. Once you find it, click to enable this option. When it's turned on, Teams will now remain in front of your other application windows. You can test this by switching to another app, like your browser or a document editor. You should notice that the Teams meeting window stays visible. Even as you work in the other app, you can still resize or move the Teams window to a convenient spot on your screen. For example, you might drag it to a corner so it doesn't block important parts of your workspace. This is especially helpful if you need to take notes, follow along with a presentation, or keep an eye on reactions and chat while focusing on another program. If at any time you no longer want Teams to stay on top, simply go back to the same options menu and turn the setting off. The window will then behave like a normal application again and can sit behind other windows. That's all you need to do to keep your Microsoft Teams window always visible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your meetings and multitasking a lot smoother.